So we're going to run this router on the outside from right to left, okay? Not left to right. Piece of slip tongue. There we go. Wow. So nice and smooth, nice and flat. That's a pretty piece of wood. So it'll fit in there around that whole thing. So what we're going to do, instead of adding a full piece like this, we're going to run slip tongue in there, and then we'll run our groove side out. So just remember all these pieces, like these guys are building these corner blocks. Those are all going to be tongue and grooved on all four sides. Okay. Slip tongue will go in here. This will tie into a piece of slip tongue as it hits into this square piece here, right? That'll all be held together, tongue and groove. So you're gonna route the whole thing, vacuum it all up, and then you can start with your slip tongue again.